It's Christmas and gift. Let's do some budget. See this. Okay, from Junior. Yeah, I just like the quality and the build quality of it, everything, because it looks smooth. You can adjust it by so that's it for me. This is it for you. You can subscribe. Okay, so this is the quick sling from Case Logic. It's a shoulder strap which is for DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. So yeah, I just purchased it on Jumia because that was the cheapest place I could find one, and I haven't tested it out yet. I'll do so and make a review on it, so you guys should stay tuned to that.